I'm Yanni, or Jan Labuskagli, and I am the owner of Ultra Raceway. The history of Ultra Raceway started way back in the 70s already, so it's, if I'm not mistaken, the oldest RC club in Pretoria, and one of the oldest in the country as well. So from the 1970s, where we were in Pretoria, it was before my time, the club moved to the Ultra City next to the Ben Schoeman, and that's where the name also originated, Ultra Raceway. And after that we moved to the US Becker Caravan Park, and then after that we moved to the venue where we currently are at Tow Track Park in Gezina, Pretoria. The track is the first carpet track that we had in South Africa, so there was a lot of maintenance on previous track or normal dirt tracks. And this was just the obvious answer, so we tried out carpet and it worked very well for us. We race different classes, so we've got a two-wheel drive class, a four-wheel drive class, and then a truck class. The different classes races different motors. So stock class is a specific stock motor, and modified is an open class where you can use whatever motor you want to. That's the main differences between the different classes.
The gap is going to run second for first place.
This is a two-wheel drive car. This is a Yokomo SO2. It's one of their latest products on the market. It's only obviously rear-wheel drive driven. That's why we say it's the two-wheel drive class. There's so many things on setup. Obviously, you start with the basics, is your shocks. You can put different oils in them depending on if the track's very bumpy. You want to go to a lighter oil to absorb more of the bumps. If the track's very flat, you want to go a little bit stiffer so the car has a lot more steering around the corners. You can change the spring rate for how fast the car absorbs it and how stiff the car is through the corners to stop it from rolling over. You can even change the camber at the back depending on how much lean the car is going to have, where you want the traction on the back to be. Even the wing, changing the wing at the back makes a difference on how the car moves through the air and the amount of downforce it gets. So the setup's quite endless. If you get to the motor is normally stock, but you have some settings that you can change on the electronic speed control.
The cost implications, if you these days want to buy a proper racing car, it is quite expensive. If you have to start from scratch where you have nothing at all and you have to buy a proper radio as well as batteries and chargers and speed controllers, and the entire kit will probably set you back between, depending on the brand as well, between 20 and 30,000 Rand per car. Yeah, at our club, we started something where you can hire the car, which makes it much cheaper, because then we rent it out for a couple of bucks, 300 Rand a day, and people can enjoy the whole day's racing together with us.
I really enjoy the sport. It's, like I say, the camaraderie between everybody is very nice. If you do need help because you don't understand the setup, because you're quite new, guys are more than willing to help you. I just love the racing. I mean, I think any boy likes racing.
I've made my life a little bit easier. This is just some scrap wood that I've had laying around. Got all my tools set up there so it's nice and easy to get to them. When the day's over, it's just a matter of folding this up, packing the car in there. That goes in there. That'll fold up like that. And I've normally got a bag that this will go in. But that's a matter of just carrying that all in the bag, in the car, ready to go. So pack up's a dream.
Yeah, thanks Car Club for joining us today on this day of racing, and I hope to see everybody come to the track and see what it's all about.
And